Alright guys, how's it going? I do apologise for the channel being a little bit sporadic at the moment, just kind of busy with work to be honest. But I've made a very simple add-on. Now, like most of the add-ons that I make them for me. If you find value in them, well, you're more than welcome to download them. It's available for free in the description down below. If you want to check it out, by all means. Now this is a very simple add-on to be honest, and it's just a viewport display toggle. Now one of the things that personally annoys me, if you want to display the name of an object, you need to select the object, you need to go into object properties, you then need to go into viewport display, and then you need to enable name. Now we could right click on this and create a shortcut or even a quick favourite, and there's nothing wrong with that. But what I've done here is I've created a couple of buttons or a couple of icons that kind of toggle these options for you, and it means you can be pretty much anywhere in the interface. So the first one will toggle the name on and off, and you'll notice when it's actually on, it'll be highlighted. So if I select another object, it's off. Let's put it on. Now this might seem a little bit stupid, but you end up working into a logic gate where you need to do an AND and an if statement, and it's a bit more complicated than it actually looks. You're not just toggling a button. So this will display the name, not a problem. And the next one is display the wireframe, and that'll just overlay the wireframe, and this is good if you just want to kind of do some mesh checking, especially if you're in the scene. And the next one, I'll put the axis on and off, and the last one will toggle the bounding box. And it's really just to save you going in and out of these menus. Now again, I fully understand, there's different ways you can manage this, there might even be shortcuts hidden away somewhere, but just having these icons here, just it kind of speeds up my workflow. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, support me on Gumroad, you know what to do. Take care.